Hi, today we're starting a new uh, construction installation. We're doing everything new. If you want an installation or you want a supply box, a nice supply box seal with no leaks, and you don't have one and it's old, we can do a nice one for you. It's all sealed, no leaks with dampers, so you can control the air flow. Um, that's the supply box. No, this is the supply box and that's the return box. Today we have a nice installation and hopefully we do good. Just call us and we're gonna be more happy to help you. That's the return box. It's all sealed, all nice, clean. All the material, line set, ray pen, all the boxes, docs, colors, everything. T-wise, call us. We do a very good job. 10 years parts guarantee, 1 year. If your furnace or condenser doesn't work anymore, we replace it. You can call us anytime. We'd be more happy to help you out. All you have to pay if we didn't do something just for the day, and we'll be more happy to help you out. Today, a new installation, and hopefully we do a great job. We have 5 years experience, 10 years experience. Just call us Fresh Taking Easy. Facebook, Jose Amar Martinez. You can find me in an Instagram and TikTok, Fresh Taking Easy. Just call me. You can see all the jobs, and we'll be more happy to help you out. Thank you. Have a good day.